My name is Mohan, and I'm working as a business analyst in one of the banks. It's a busy job. It's a small family, wife, and 2 years old. I've been in Sydney for last 11 years. Came here for job, settled here. Uh, that's about myself. I've been in the investment property journey for a while. Did my online research. I've been following Sanjeevsah for a while, to be honest. And I got in touch with, to be honest, I got in touch with a couple of other buyer agents as well. Uh, with my experience, I found Sanjeev better than other buyer agents. Uh, there are a couple of aspects that impress me. One is the personalized approach. It's not like a generic approach where we come up with a list of properties and just showcase it to the clients. Sanjeev always takes a personalized approach, understands your needs, understand your profile, what the strategy is, and comes up with a tailored approach to present a property for investment. So that personalized approach is the key reason why we chose Investors Dream. Working with Investors Stream was like very smooth, and we're very happy about the whole journey. Right, so right from the initial signing, all the way through the Sanjeev held us all the way through the process, presenting the property, providing us with pros and cons, explaining why the property is the right investment for us, and it actually went well with our strategy that we discussed with Sanjeev earlier. So the entire journey was very smooth. Sanjeev kept us informed across all the steps, each stages of the process. He gave us the pointers that we needed. Is we being new to the investment journey, we didn't know anything. We are novice. But I would say this journey has been a very learning curve for us, and Sanjeev traveled with us all along the process. So we have signed the property. Settlement was very smooth. Communication was really clear and regular. We have signed the property, and we are now finalizing a tenant as well. So it's been a great journey. Definitely. Using Investors Dream as the buyer agent was definitely worth the effort and the money. It's a big investment for us and for anyone, I would say. But the tailored approach, the education that we get, and the point of context that we get, being a first-time investor, I didn't know anything about in property investment. So Sanjeev taught us through the whole process, explained the step-by-step process from the time we sign and to the time we settle the property. So that education is really invaluable. So yes, I would say the investment and the time and money that we invested in this process with Investors Dream is definitely worth, and I would suggest it to my friends as well. Yes, I would recommend Investors Dream to my family and friends. In fact, I've actually spoken about Sanjeev to a couple of my other friends as well. Some of my friends have already started with other buyer agents, and we can already see the difference. So they definitely feel that I have taken a better approach by approaching Sanjeev for my investment journey. So yes, given a chance, when my friends and family are looking for one, I would definitely recommend Sanjeev and Investor Stream.